A binary number is a number expressed in the base 2 numeral system, which is a positional notation system with a radix of 2. The base 2 system uses only 2 digits, 0 and 1, to represent all numerical values. Each digit in a binary number is called a bit, short for binary digit. In contrast to the decimal system, base 10, where each digit represents a power of 10, in the binary system, each digit represents a power of 2. The rightmost digit represents 2 to the power of 0, 1, the next digit to the left represents 2 to the power of 1, 2, the next digit represents 2 squared, 4, and so on. For example, the binary number 1011 represents 1 asterisk 2 cubed, plus 0 asterisk 2 squared, plus 1 asterisk 2 to the power of 1, plus 1 asterisk 2 to the power of 0, equals 8 plus 0 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 11. So, the binary number 1011 is equivalent to the decimal